my vegan mac and cheese. This is super healthy and really simple. I have left most of my ingredients raw except for my potato. I have boiled that for a few minutes to make it easier to digest. So today I'm going to be using the Vitamix A3500i. Let's get started. So I have 600 grams of boiled potato. I have a quarter of an onion. So if you decide to cook any of these, you can give it a little roast in the oven and you can use a lot more onion than this. It's just because when it is raw, your flavor goes a really long way. So I've just got a quarter in there. I have 1 garlic clove. I've left the skin on there. May as well get the nutrients from that. The Vitamix will blend it all up. I have a carrot. Notice I've left the end on. You won't taste it in the end. That is going to give it a nice orange color, so it's just a natural food dye for us. I have 1/3 of a cup of nutritional yeast. This is going to give us a nice nutty cheesy flavor that we want out of our vegan mac and cheese. I've got 1/4 of a cup of raw cashews. I've got 1 stock cube. I will peel them, unlike Tommy. I'll peel it straight away. Now I've got a Massel beef flavor. They're fully vegan, so don't worry about that. And 200 mils of water. Now my potato I only just boiled, so they're still a little bit warm. So I only need to blend this for a couple of minutes. If you had cool potato, you might need to blend it for about 4 or 5 minutes to get it nice and hot. Let's go. Lock our lid into place. And I'm just going to use our manual settings just so I can do it for just a couple of minutes rather than the full soup setting. Amazing. The Vitamix is so powerful, I didn't even need my tamper. You saw it just blended everything so well. Now I've just left that running for a little bit over 2 minutes. The potatoes were a bit warm, but the rest of it is just friction heat. So let's see how steamy and beautiful this was. Amazing. I can smell the nice cheesiness out of that nooch. All those lovely flavors. You can see what a beautiful color it is. So I'm going to be serving that with some raw zucchini macaroni that Tommy has made here and some lovely vegan coconut bacon that Claire has made for us in the Sedona dehydrator. So yummy. I'm going to give that a little try. Yum. Just what I want out of a mac and cheese. So yummy. Please try this recipe. I think you will love it. Happy blending.